Hello boys, how are you? Good morning. I hope you will be fine. Okay, today we start our lesson that is use of English and open your book, learner book, page number 124 and 25. Today we study these two pages and your homework page number 106 and 107. And now we start our lesson. And here first of all we listen the recording. This is track 88. That is, you choose different places. Why you choose mountain instead of beach? Okay, this we listen now. Listen carefully.
88. Let's go on holiday. Where would you like to go, Rosa? Would you like to go to the beach? No, I'd like to go to the mountains. The mountains are more exciting than the beach. What would you like to do there? I'd like to climb a mountain. How about you, Josh? Where would you like to go? I'd like to go to the beach. The beach is nicer than the mountains.
Okay, boys. Now we start here. For example, you have holidays and you want to visit something. Okay, then which place you want to visit? Here different. Here he give you 5 places. For example, number 1, mountains, and here mountains you can see ice also, and here this is beach near the ocean. Here you make sand castles like this, and here amusement park where you can swim and different kinds of uh, sports that you can. And here this is city. You can visit city, different kinds of city, and some cities are give us the information about history. Okay, and this is desert. Desert is a dry place. Okay, and there are different kinds of plants and different kinds of animals that live in the desert. Now here, for example, he give you some words: swim, that you can in the amusement park; play, also you can here play, and also play in the beach; and climb on the mountain and have a fun, you can in the city. And you can see different kinds of plants and animal in the desert. And go to the park, go to beach, go to mountain, any place you can you want to visit. Okay, now here the question: where would you like to go? This is place. Where? Which place you want to visit? Okay, your answer: I'd like to go to an amusement park. Go to I I'd like to go to desert. I'd go to like to for example beach, any place you want. Okay, then activity: what would you like to do there? What activity will you do there? Okay, now I'd like to play on the slide. I'd like to make sand castles. I'd like to see different kinds of animal and plants there. Okay, I would like to climb the mountain. This is your answers. And here the next is, when you comparison two places, then you use com- comparative state of adjective. Okay, here when you compare two things, you put here nicer or colder er at the end. And we discuss this next slide. Okay, and here we compare two things. Why, for example, you go to the mountain instead of desert, and why you go to mountain instead of desert? You say Here, this is ice on the mountain. You say, I would like to go to mountain instead of desert because mountains are colder than the desert. This is your answer. Okay. Then we use this comparison, and we compare two things or two places at the same time. Here, first of all, the places that we can visit. Number one, mountain, beach, amusement park, city, desert, forest, zoo, and museum. These are different kinds of places that we can visit. And these are, this is the question, where would you like to go? I'd like to go to the beach. I'd like to go to the desert. I'd like to go to the zoo. I'd like to go to the mountain. I'd like to go to the museum. This is the question, where you want to go. Okay, where would you like to go? And this is your answer. Different kinds of places. You use any place, but sentence like this. And then the next question, that is activity. What would you like to do there? This is your activity. What would you like? I'd like to make sandcastle. I'd like to play in the park. I'd like to see animals in the zoo. I'd like to swim in the amusement park. I'd like to see old things in the museum. This is your answer. The activity that you will do there. And here, when you compare two things, then you will use these words. For example, cold, colder, nice, nicer, big, bigger, hot, hotter, small, smaller, heavy, heavier, light, lighter. These are the words that is one syllable. If the words are more syllable, then we don't use at the end er. Then we use more. For example, exciting. This is more than one syllable. Okay. Then we use more exciting. And here, dangerous, more dangerous. Beautiful, more beautiful. Scary, more scary. Difficult, more difficult. And these are some words irregular. Okay, they don't use er and don't use more. They are entirely different. For example, good, better, bad, worse. Okay, these are irregular adjectives. And here, how we use these adjectives. For example, winter is colder than summer. Okay, elephant is bigger than zebra. Mouse is lighter than lion. Desert is hotter than Arctic. Ali is taller than Ahmed. Subtraction is more difficult than addition. Okay, here we use the word colder, bigger, lighter, hotter, taller, and difficult. More difficult. Okay, boys, this is our topic today, and you revise. This is important topic, how we compare two things and how we ask a question, and how we can tell the activity that we do in different places. Okay, see you later.